Hey, yeah, I'm a bad boy doing good things. Got a lemonade with chicken wings. With a bad bitch, and she quite thick. So I might just pop myself a chain tonight. Slim shorty with the tank top. I'm a
Who?
Is it gas or electric?
The
What?
who? What? When? Where? How? What? What? The 240SX?
No, it's a little RC car.
Oh, yo. Okay. Where's
They
this?
can get expensive.
Wait, where's this man's at?
I mean,
Oh, the bagged beamed. Oh, the bagged beamer. Oh. 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 Yo. Look at that drift cars. Yo, what the heck? Look at that. That's actually sick. It's pretty. So is that like a whole custom thing, or?
No, actually, this one you can buy out of the box for $650, and it goes 80 miles an hour.
Oh my word.
People modify it. This is actually beating a Lamborghini in a drag race.
The car. The RC
Yeah,
car.
yeah.
Dang.
So it's lithium batteries, so it's just like a Tesla. So you put it on power mode, and it just puts all the stuff to the tires, and it's gone. So and then this one can go 60, but this one's more for jumping off of hills and trying to brake and shit.
That's sick. That's freaking awesome. Great. Opinion on the Ferrari.
Shit's clean.
Ooh, Civic. I like how I actively am looking at the Ferrari and then I see that Civic over there pull up. And then I'm like, oh, it's beautiful.
Civic's definitely stock.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely stock.
And that's a stock Porsche.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It comes factory like
Comes
that.
back, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, ooh, Viper. Ooh. Spencer! Now, all respect to the Nissan drift build,
So,
but this, that is that.
180 horsepower type.
Yeah, jeez. Wow. Oh, Lamborghini.